Welcome back to our channel. This is super easy and super healthy raspberry jam. Make sure when you're doing this to use frozen raspberries, same thing with strawberries or any kind of berries. So I am adding here a little bit of cinnamon. I think it's perfect for this. It won't overpower the flavor on this. It will just give it a little hint of a different flavor, and we really like it. We're going to be cooking this on medium heat, just waiting for the strawberries to pretty much melt, and they will just, you know, like come into pieces super easy. This won't take more than a minute or two, and look how delicious that looks. So once everything is well cooked like that, it's so easy how you can just destroy it with a wooden spoon, like just like that. See, it's super easy. We're adding sugar. You can add any sweetener you want. I added 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. We let it boil. Once it boils, we turn it off and let it cool off to room temperature. And if you want, you can do this process mashing it, or if you don't, if you like the whole fruits, it's fine, you can do that too. So once it cooled off to room temperature, we're gonna be adding the chia seeds, and we're gonna mix it very well so it gets everything well incorporated. And after that, we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and we're gonna put it in a clean jar like I am doing here. And you can eat this right away, like put it on an ice cream or whatever, or you could put it in the fridge for an hour so it gets thicker. And it's so good, and this takes like no time at all. We love it so much. And once you have it in the fridge, for an hour or so, it will look like this, and it will last for a week and a half in the fridge. We eat it within 3 days because we love it so much. You can have it with crackers, with peanut butter. You can make like peanut butter jelly sandwiches, or you can just put it on ice cream like I mentioned before. We had this recipe on our Instagram, Latinos Veganos for Canada, and we decided to make the video, and here we are eating it with yogurt. We have a recipe for that in the description below. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.